Today's topic is SQL joins. Joins. So where we use them, what are joins and where we use joins, how we can use joins. So these three we'll discuss today. And what are the types of joins we have? Okay. So do you remember, guys, we have created multiple tables. Select star employee table, one table we have created. And we created one more table, department. So in the employee table, we have employee information. And in the department table, we have a department information like the department ID and the name of the department and where it is located. And the next, sal grade. This is the sal grade information. Suppose if the employee is getting the salary between 800 and 1300, if the salary he is getting is between 800 and 1300, then we'll mark it as a grade 1. If it is between 1301 to 1500, then we mark it as a grade 2. So this is the information we have in the sal grade table. So totally we have 3 tables created, but in general database will be having a plenty of tables, but for in our exercise will be using these 3 tables. Okay, let's say, so in the employee table I have an employee information, and in the department table I have a department information, and in the sal grade I see the information regarding the salary. Okay, if I want to extract the information, like, so what I need is employee ID, employee name, job name, salary, department ID, department name, location, comma, grade, salary grade is into which grade. Okay, this is the information I need. So from employee ID is coming from which column? Which table?
Employee table.
Coming from employee table. EMP name?
Employee table.
Job name?
Employee table. Employee.
DEP ID?
Department.
Don't you have this column in employee table?
Yes, please.
No. DPT ID is there. Okay.
DEP ID is there in the employee table, also in the department table. Okay.
So it's a key column. Huh?
Yeah, that will come there. Okay, department table. So the department ID is coming from employee table and DEPT table. You can take it from either the place, not a problem. Okay, so here I am just saying employee department ID is from employee table only for this sake. And next, DEP name coming from which table?
Department table.
Department table. And DEP location
Department.
and grade.
Grade of department.
Grade. Do you have grade column here?
Grade employee.
Grade,
Grade table.
right? So if you see, if you want to have this information, so that information is coming from the different tables in our DB or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So these columns are coming from employee table, and this is coming from department table, and this is coming from grade table, 3 different tables. if you want to get the data, retrieve the data from multiple tables, you have a concept called joins. If you want to retrieve that, so far we are able to retrieve the data from a single table. But if in case if you want to retrieve the data from a multiple tables, you need the concept joins. So what joins will do is will establish the relation between multiple tables. Okay. The relationship is between the tables are temporary. The relation between the tables are temporary. See, once you are done with the execution of query, the relation will be gone. Okay, while executing the query only, it will establish the connection between these tables. So, if you want to join, if you want to retrieve the data from multiple tables, common column is required. Sorry, common, or you can say key column is required. Key column in the sense you need to have a join column between the tables. So then only you can join the table. Okay. What are the types of joins we have available? One is Cartesian join, self join, inner join, outer join. These are the types of joins available. And the outer join again classified into left outer join, right outer join, full outer join. Okay, these are the types of joins available. So we'll go one by one. You got it right when you go for a joins. So if you want to extract the data from a multiple tables, then you go for a joins. So if you want to make the join between the tables, you need a common column between the tables. Otherwise, you can't extract the data properly. Okay. See, I'll show you. Cartesian join. What is the Cartesian join and what it will do is, if you are extracting, right, sir, extracting the data from multiple tables without using any join condition, then it leads to Cartesian or cross join. Okay. Extracting the data from multiple tables without using join conditions. Here I have mentioned, right, if you want to extract the data from multiple tables, you must need the key column. So if you are not using that and extracting the data from multiple tables, then it leads to Cartesian join. Let's say, so select star from employee. What it will do?
Select all the data from
Employee table. Select star from department. What it will do? It will select all the data from department table. I want to extract the data from employee and department without any join condition. Select star from employee by separating a comma, you can do that. By separating a comma. So select star from employee and employee comma department. So how the data will come now? So here when you run these two tables independently, so we got the two independent results. Now, if you are trying to get the data from multiple tables, how the data will be arranged in them? See, you remember when you are working with the set operators, I've told you guys have asked me. So what is the difference between inner join and intersect? So when you are using the set operator between the two select statements, it is appending the data to existing data. But here, if you want to get the data, see, two tables are like this. If I want to extract the data from these two tables, let's see how it would be.
Side by side.
It will come side by side. Okay, side by side is fine. Okay, so how many records are there in the employee table?
14.
14 records. And here, how many records in the department table?
4.
4 records. So then if you are extracting the data from two tables, how many records should come generally?
80.
80.
18.
18. Okay. Any other answers?
56 generally Cartesian product.
Okay. So when it is doing when we are extracting the data from multiple tables without joining, so it is making a horizontal joiner, right? So what it will do is the 14, whatever the table that you are using first, the employee table is the first, right? And you can call it as a left side table. Okay. And this is the right table, second table. Okay. So all the records from the first table, 14 rows, 14 records will be mapped to the first record from the right side table, which means let me take this data, output of this to an Excel. Okay, and let me take the output of this. Okay, so here, so what I did, select star from employee comma department. Here star represent what? All the columns from both the tables. So, okay, what it will do is it will take, so first the structure, this is, and all the columns is meaning this, right? All the columns from employee table and all the columns from department table. Okay, so what is the left table? Here in our query, what is the left table?
Employee.
So it will take all the records from an employee table and keep it here, and then all the 14 records will be mapped to the first record, and all the records from the employee table next mapped to the
Second record of the
second
department.
record. And next,
All records of the employee table.
all the records from, see, simply all the records from the employee table will be mapped to the first record, and all the records from employee table again mapped to the second record, and next third record, and with the fourth record, which means 14 into
4.
4. What would be the output? 14 into 4?
56.
So when you are extracting the data from multiple tables without using any join condition, then it will be leads to Cartesian join, which is the Cartesian join is nothing but Cartesian in the sense product of Cartesian and product. What is the product? How we calculate the product is, so the from the employee table we have a 14 records into department table 4 records. 14 into 4, 16 record. Oh, sorry, 14 into 4, 56 records. Okay, see, are we getting 56 records or not? See, first 14 records. And the 15th record is changed or not?
Yes.
And I guess 29th record should change. You see, 29th. Next. See, this bang, 43. Next. 56.
Last is 56.
Okay. Suppose if you interchange the tables, so department will be left table now, and the employee table is right table. So output would same, but order of the columns will change. See, first, what is the first table? Department. So that's why the department information came first, and the next employee information. But the output is see, the first record is mapped to all the 14 records in the employee table, and next record is mapped to 14 records in the second, like this. Okay. And if you want to select, you want to have the selected records, so select employee ID, employee name, job name, DEP ID, salary, DEP name. These are the columns I need from this table. Okay, let's see. What is the column? What is the error that we are getting?
Ambiguous column.
Ambiguous column department ID. Why this column we are getting an error for this column? Is this column is not available?
It is available in 2 tables, sir.
It is
It's
available in
common.
both the tables.
It's
So,
common. Yeah.
so you should tell SQL engine to take this column from which table. So the SQL engine is getting confused. So this department ID column to be taken from either department table or from the employee table. So that's why it's failing with the ambiguous column name. So what you need to do is you need to
Yeah.
tell. So either here I will be taking department dot. So here I said take the department column from the department table. See. Okay. Department ID from the department column. Suppose see here the department table is table name is very small table. Table name is length is small. So that's why we can able to see. Suppose if the table name is big, then if you want to keep alias name like this, it will be ugly, right? By seeing the code is ugly, right? So instead what you can do is, so far you are giving a alias name to the column, right? You can also do that for a table. Department D, employee E. So since you want to take the department ID column from the department table, instead of department complete table name, you can refer the alias name. You can refer the alias name. See. Okay. Got it, guys? What is the Cartesian join?
Yes.
If you are extracting the data from multiple tables without using any join condition, leads to the Cartesian join. Okay, or cross join. You can also do this. You can also do this. Instead of comma, can do cross join. Can do cross join. The same output will come. Okay, see 56 records. Either is fine. Anything is fine. Okay. Next, self join. Joining table with the same table itself. Called self join. Okay, joining the table with the same table itself is called a self join. So we'll discuss practically this at the end of all our joins, and before that I'll explain you. Okay, let me remove all this. Okay, see here the employee ID 68319 and employee name is Kaylin and is working as a president, and his manager is ID is null. So why the manager ID is null? He is the most
President.
senior employee, so he don't have any seniors. Okay, next 66928. His name is Blade, and he is working as a manager, and he is reporting to whom? 68319. What is 68319?
President.
Manager ID. Okay, what is the name of this manager? How you can do? How you can get the manager ID is there? Do you have any table? Let's say in the from this table, this employee belongs to department. How you will know? 1001 is belongs to 1001 department, right? What is 1001? What is the name of this department ID 1001?
We don't know, sir.
So do you have this information available anywhere?
No.
Yes, sir. Department table.
The department table, you have the information available, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you come to the department table, from the department table, you come to know the department 1001 is finance department and is located in the Sydney. Okay. And in the same way, if you are coming here and he's 66928 is the Blaze and is working as a manager and he's reporting to 68319, manager ID 68319. Do you, what is the name? So this is a manager ID, manager ID. So manager also will be having a name, right?
Yes, sir.
So from where you will get that name? Do you have any other table which states that a manager name? Like do you have any table which saying a manager ID, manager name,
No.
some kind of information?
No, sir.
No. So then how do you get the manager name? Do you see the data? Do you have anywhere from this table? Can you able to find the manager name?
No.
No. See,
Yes,
68319.
Yes.
Employee ID 68319 is Kailing. Which
Yes,
means
sir.
this Blaze, all managers are these three managers. If you see 66928, 67832, and 65646, all three, these three managers are reporting to whom?
Manager ID.
68319. 68319 is who?
Kale.
Kailing.
Spelling president.
Which means the manager is also an employee, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Manager is also an employee. So he will be having a ID. So here, how you will get the information is where MGR ID equals to employee ID.
Employer.
Where MGR ID equals to employee ID. Right? Here you are taking MGR ID, manager ID, and you are searching with the employee ID. Wherever you are finding this employee ID, against that employee ID, whatever the name is, the manager name, right or not?
Yes, sir.
So here, what is the information? The manager information is also there in the same table. So if you want to get the manager name, what you need to do? You need to join the table with the same table.
Yes.
If you want to get, see, this is a hierarchy, right? The second hierarchy you are getting. So if you
Yes, sir.
want to get the information of the manager, you need to join the table with the same table. And what key column is what? Manager ID equals to
Manager ID equals to
Employee ID.
employee ID.
employee ID. Manager ID equals to
Employee
employee.
ID.
Okay. Then you will get a proper record. So keep this example in your mind and we'll come back again here and I will show you, because instead of going this directly, before I want to just explain how the mapping will be done. Once we are done with the inner join and outer join, then we'll again come back here and we'll check how the self join will be. You will be having a better idea. Okay. So got it right? And what? And there will be a scenario. The information will be getting in the same table. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In such cases, we will go for a self join. Inner join. Joining the tables. Using key column and will return the matching records. Matching records in the sense. Okay. So extracting the data from multiple table. Select star from employee. So I'm just, what I'm doing is inner join DEPT, department. Okay. I'm just making employee as E, department as D. So here I mentioned joining the tables using key column. What is the key column between these two tables to join? When you want to
Department ID.
extract the data between two tables, you must know the key column between those tables first. You must know the key column between the tables first. So what is the key column you are seeing for these two tables?
Department ID.
Department ID is the key column. Department ID is the key column. Okay. Let's say on E dot DEP ID equals to D dot DEP ID. D dot DEP ID. So now I am extracting the data from multiple tables based on the condition. Then see how the output would be. Let's say let me keep this table over here. Okay. Okay. See. So when you run this query, star represents what?
Total
All
records, sir.
columns.
Not total record. Star represents all the columns. Okay, just keep it. What is the first table? Leftmost table is what? Employee
Employee
table.
table.
And rightmost table is what?
Department.
Department.
So I'm just keeping star. Okay. Okay. So first, when you run this query, SQL engine will come to the first record from this table, left table. Okay. And from the left table, it will come here it will come to the first record. And on what we are doing, join key. What is the column you are using?
Department ID.
Department ID. So this department ID equals to this department ID. 1001 equals 1001.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Then yeah, when it is true, it will take that record. When it is true, it will take that record. Okay, next. 1001 equals 2001.
No.
No.
1001 equals 3001.
No.
1001 equals 4001.
No.
No. First record is done. Then it will come to the second record. Is 3001 equals 1001?
No, sir.
3001 equals 2001?
No.
3001 equals to 3001?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is true. Then it will come here and it will take this record. 3001 is what? This. And next, it will come to the third record. No, sorry, second record is not completed. And 3001 equals 4001?
No.
No. Then it will go to the third record. So 1001 equals to the third record department ID is 1001. Is 1001 equals 1001?
Yes.
Yes. Then it will take this record. And against what? This. Is 1001 equals to 2001?
No.
1001
No, sir.
equals to 3001?
And then we'll
1001 not equals to 4001. So then it will come to the next
skip
record.
the record. Okay.
Okay. Fourth. 2001 equals 1001?
No.
2001 equals 2001?
Yes.
Yes. This is matching. Okay. This take this.
Understand, sir.
Next 2001 equals 3001?
No.
No. 2001 equals 4001?
No.
Then it will come to the row number 6, which is the fifth record. And 2001 equals 1001?
No.
No. 2001 equals 2001?
Yes.
Yes. This will take this record. And next, this. Is 2001 equals to 3001?
No.
Is 2001 equals 4001?
No.
No. Next, it will come to the next record, which is 7th. This is also 2001. 2001 is equals to 1001?
No.
No, 2001 equals 2001?
Yes.
Yes. It will take the record. And next, 2001 equals 3001?
No. It
No.
doesn't.
2001 equals 4001?
No. It doesn't.
No. Next, it will come to the 8th record. Is 2001 equals 1001?
No. It doesn't.
2001 equals 2001?
Yes.
Okay. Next, this 200 equals 3001. No. 2001 equals 4001.
No.
No. Next, it come to the 9th record. 3001 equals 1001.
No.
3001 equals 2001.
No.
3001 equals 3001.
Yes.
Okay. It will take 3001 record. When it is matches and when this department ID equals to the department ID, then only it is true. Okay. Next, 10th record. 3001 equals to 1001.
No.
No. 3001 equals 2001.
No.
3001 equals 3001.
Yes.
Yes. It will take this record. Okay. And it will copy this to here. This is how SQL engine will check all the records. 3001 equals 4001.
No.
No. Then it will come to the 11th record. What is the 11th record? 66656. Yes. 3001. 3001 equals 1001.
No.
3001 equals 2001.
No.
3001 equals 3001.
Yes.
Yes. This is matching here. Next. This one. What is the department ID? 3001. 3001 is equals to 4001.
No.
No. Is it equals to 2001?
No.
Is it equals to 3001?
Yes.
Yes. Is it equals to 4001?
No.
Next, it will come to the next record, which is this. What is the department ID for this? Is 2001. Is 2001 equals to 1001?
No.
Is 3001 equals to 2001 equals 2001? 2001?
Yes. Yes.
13th record is matching. Two 2001 equals 3001.
No.
Is it matching with 4001?
No.
No. To come to the 14th record, 3001. Is 3001 equals to 1001?
No.
Is 3001 equals to 2001?
No. It only matches 3001.
It will match with 3001. Next, the last record. What is the department ID of this? Is 1001. Is 1001 is matching with this?
1001.
Yes, 1001. And 1001 is not matching with the 2001 and 3001 and 4001. So this is the inner join. How inner join will perform is this.
Only takes the matched records.
Matched records when this is matched. Okay.
Sir,
Chappan.
if we have 1005, then what it will return, sir, in employee table?
Yeah, I'll be coming there. Okay. What in employee table? What?
Unmatched record means, for example, 1005.
In which
It's
column
not
you
there in
want the value?
last
1005 is
column.
department
Employee
ID.
table, sir, department ID.
Okay. In the table, we don't have any column. I am just taking one more record. 666. Okay. This is the record I am taking. Just I'm just giving me my name, Krishna, working as a clerk. Okay. And manager is some same manager. I'm just keeping it. And I'm just giving a high rate is also the same for climbing. This is a dummy record, okay, which is not available in the table, but I'm just keeping for my sake to show you an example. Okay, here you said 1005. So when comes to here, do you have 1005 available here? Is matching 1005 equals to 1001?
No, sir.
1005 is to mapping to 2001.
No, sir.
1005 is 3001.
No, sir.
Matching with 4001.
No.
There is no match. Then this record is
Not
false. Okay, this record is false. So this will not come in the inner join. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So let's try run this. See, 14 records is coming. Even in our output, how many records are there? 14. In generally, the table has, let's say, as per us, in the table it has 14, but I have added one dummy record, which is this, which has us 6 record. This is, let me insert, otherwise we will come to know easily. Okay, let me insert into the table. Insert into employee values, employee ID, employee name, comma, clerk, comma, manager ID, comma, 1992-01-23 hire date, comma, 1400 is the salary, null is the commission, and 1005 is the department. So I have inserted a record. Okay. So if you are, how many are getting? So in employee table we have total. Earlier it was 14. Now I have inserted one record. Total would be 15.
15.
So do you see the last record is coming? What are the newly inserted record?
No.
Because it does not, it is not having any match.
Match.
It is not having any match. Okay, that's right. Good. So if you want to have a selected column from this table, you can do, you know, right? If you want to have a selected columns, not all the columns. E dot employee ID. So always when you are extracting the data from multiple tables, you keep alias names. Keep alias names. Okay. E dot emp name. E dot job name. Like this. E dot DEP ID. E dot salary. D dot DEP name as department name. Okay. D dot DEP
Okay.
location. So like this. So if you see this query, you can easily know, right? Employee ID is coming from which table?
Employee table.
E. Where is E? Here. E is employee table is renamed as E. So employee ID is coming from this table. So you can easily understand, even not only you, if you give this query to anyone, they can easily understand from which table this employee ID column is coming. Since you have created the table and you have inserted the data, you easily know that these columns are coming from which table. But if you gave this query to the unknown people, and if they want, how they want to know? How they know? If suppose alias names are not there, how they know employee ID is coming from which table? They need to do query, select star from employee or select star from DEPT, department table. So when they query, they'll come to know employee ID column is coming from which table, right or not? If you are giving alias names like this, so they can easily understand, right? They no need to do select star from EMP or select star from department to know the columns are coming from which table. Simply, so the reference is E. If you come here, what is the reference for E is employee table. So which means employee ID is coming from an employee table. Okay. See if you want to check. See the same 14 rows will come, but here the columns are selected, not all the columns. Okay. Next. Left outer join, guys. So the joins itself will extract the data from multiple tables. Though the types, what are each type of join will do is, so the inner join will extract the data from multiple tables. It will give matched records plus left side unmatched, matched records plus left side unmatched. So you don't worry. So this query syntax and everything is same. Just do this. Left join. Do the same. Simply left join. Instead of inner join, I'm just using left join. You can either write a left join or you can either write left outer join. Two will be same. Okay. Here also you can keep inner join or you can write a join. Both will do inner join only. Okay. So what the left join will do is matched records plus left side unmatched records. Okay. Okay, good. So let me come here. The same exercise. Do the same exercise. You got it right? How the SQL engine is checking?
Yes.
Matching records.
Yes.
So what the left outer join will do is, apart from the matching record, if you come to the last record, this is 1005. 1005 is a not department ID is there in the employee table and not there in the department table, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which means it is unmatched record. Left side unmatched record or not?
Yes, sir.
Left side unmatched records. So matched records plus left side unmatched records. So this is a left side unmatched record. With all these records, see here we have, right, in the sheet 2 I have kept. With all these records, this is the matching records. Okay. And with these records, this record also will come.
Yes.
Okay. Then what is there here? Right side, do you have any values for this department?
No.
Null.
Null.
Null
Will
values.
be there.
Null. Yes.
So left side unmatched record. This null will be there.
Sir, Krishna sir.
Yeah, Chapan.
Yeah, even Oracle also same query, sir. Is there any semicolon?
Sorry.
Is there any difference?
In Oracle.
Hmm.
No difference. The joints, everything remains same.
Okay. Okay.
So if you do left join, what you'll see? Instead of I'm just in my example, I'm just always keeping a star here. So you know, right? If you want to have the data at a selected columns, you can do like that. Okay. But I have shown you for that. See. You got this record with null, right?
Yes.
Okay. From this query, so what is the output we are getting here?
All the columns.
No, all the columns is fine, but the output, all the columns with rows. What are the rows?
Matched
plus left
records
side
from.
unmatched records.
Unmatched.
Yes, sir.
Unmatched record from left side.
So
Matched
in,
records
in
from
our
both the
output, we have matched records and left side unmatched records. Two is there, right? Two outputs together is there, right or not?
Yes.
So now I want to extract only matched records. If I use left join, I will be getting matched records plus left side unmatched records. When you are using left join, I want to, though you are using left join, I want to extract only matched records from this table. Then the left join function, what the left join will do is, it will return the matched records plus left side unmatched records. That is fine. It is the output it will return is 2. Matched plus left side unmatched. But my query is now is, I want to extract only matched records when you are using left join.
Inner join.
No, inner join is fine. Inner join will give you a matched records. That is single output. But here, matched records plus left side unmatched records is coming when you are using left join. So when you have 2 data sets available, from the 2 data, not 2 data sets, 2 different values are there, right? Matched and unmatched. So
Yes, sir.
by using the same left outer join, if I want to get only matched records, then how you will perform? How you will get that?
Unique match.
Sir, there are null values, no, sir, in department table.
So
we
if you
can
want
take.
to have unmatched record, so only matched records. So if you want to extract only matched records means you need to exclude unmatched record or not?
Yes.
So if you want to exclude unmatched records, what is the thing, how you can extract it, exclude this?
Unique match.
Using where condition?
No.
Yeah,
Where
you can
department
use-
location is not equal to null something.
Where, okay. So for this unmatched records, do you have any values in the right side? Right side means right side table?
No.
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 No, which means department ID. So D.DEP ID
With
And
null.
Is not null.
is not null. By seeing the data, you can see, right? For these unmatched records, we have null values on the right side. So if you are excluding those, if you want to exclude those means D.department ID is not null. Then
It
you'll
doesn't
be
take.
getting matched records or not.
Yes.
You are excluding the one record. So let me take this. Sorry. That keep it as it is. Here I'm keeping. Okay. And extract only unmatched records. Then now I want to extract only unmatched records.
is null.
Is null.
Is null. If you do is null means that is a unmatched record only will come, right? See, only that record is coming. Okay. So from this given output, so the leftover join will give matched plus unmatched. When the output is matched plus unmatched, you can also get matched records out of it, right? If you are getting only matched records and if I ask you to get unmatched records from it, it is not a valid question. But when in the output you have matched plus unmatched records, so if I want to get only a matched records, then you have a where clause, right, to filter the data. So then in the where clause, what's the condition you need to write is you need to think by seeing the data. So next, right join. What the right join will do? Matched plus
Match records plus
Unmatched
Records from
from
both the
right
table,
table.
unmatched records from right table.
Right table.
unmatched from right side. Okay. Take this, the same query. Okay. I'm making a right join. What is the right table here?
Department.
See, department. This you can okay. Next. So what it will do? Oh shit. Okay. Matched records. I'm just deleting unmatched record from here. Right side unmatched read. So for 1001 do you have a records. 2001 you have a records, and 3001 you have records. Do you have any record for 4001?
No,
No,
we don't.
sir.
So just this is the unmatched record from the right side. And what will be having here?
Null.
Null. Null.
Right? All values. See if you want. See. Got it? Suppose here in a SQL server, let's assume that there is no right join available, but I want to perform a right join. Then what you will do?
లెఫ్ట్ జాయిన్ తీసుకుని ఫస్ట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చి తర్వాత ఎంప్లాయీ.
Yes. So if right join is not available, if you want to perform a right join, then what you need to do is simply interchange the tables. Keep the department first and the employee next. Okay. Please. Next, suppose if I want to extract only unmatched records from the right side. So matched records. Extract only matched records.
Use where condition is null.
What is null? So where condition is
Inner
fine.
join.
Where condition is fine. What column is null?
వేర్ ఈ డాట్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఐడి ఈస్ నాట్ నల్.
E dot department ID is because See, the right outer join we are doing. What is the right table we have here is department table. Okay, unmatched records from the right table will be having a null values in the left. This is the right side record, right? Right. The unmatched records. from the right table.
department ID. We want.
Sorry. E dot
Department
ID
ID
is
Is null.
is not null.
not null. Will give us a matched records. See. Only unmatched.
Is not. Where E dot department ID is null.
EPT ID is
Is null.
okay, only unmatched records. Next, full outer join. Matched plus unmatched from left,
Right.
unmatched from right. Okay. So let me take this. So this is the unmatched record from the right. Okay. I'm just keeping over here. Okay. You narrate what is the unmatched record from the left?
1005 department.
This is right.
Yes.
Null. So you can either write same thing, you can take it. Instead of this full join or full outer join, anything you can write. So see. Coming or not? Till 14th record it is a matching and 15th the left side unmatched and 16th is right side unmatched. Got it? See. Okay. From this output, extract only matched records. Only matched records extract చేయాలండి చెప్పండి ఎలా రాస్తారు?
Where E dot
Mhm.
department ID, E dot department ID and D dot department ID
ID.
and D dot department ID is not.
So two conditions కలిపి ఎప్పుడు రాయలేమండి. You can't write a condition by using two columns. You need to write a condition with the individual column. E dot department ID is
Not
null. And
D dot department ID is not.
ID is
Not null.
so here means see E dot department ID. See when you come to the first record. E dot department ID is not null and E dot department ID is not. Both conditions are true or not?
True.
Okay. And comes to the second record. E dot department ID is not null and D dot department ID is not null. Second record is also true. Just check like this. All records till now is having a values in both employee E dot department ID and D dot department. When comes to here, E dot department ID is not null. True or false?
True.
And D dot department ID is not null. True or false?
False.
So one condition is true and the one condition is false. Then what the result of AND operator?
False.
Oh, so this condition is false or not? This record is false. And when it comes to this, the first condition, E dot department ID is not null. Condition true or false?
False.
So first condition itself is false. Then no need to go to the other condition, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So it is false. So if you run this output, it will give you only
That
Matching.
only matched records.
see only matching records. Extract only unmatched From left. చెప్పండి.
Select start from.
Simple. Where query చెప్పండి.
Is null.
What is null? Is null
Where
okay.
E dot
Department ID.
The
department.
department
dot-
ID is null. Okay. A department ID
Department.
left side unmatched అంటే ఎట్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది null.
E
Department ID.
E dot
department.
Yes, left side unmatched అంటే left side unmatched record అంటే left side values ఉంటాయి, right side values ఉంటాయి, which means simply D dot. D dot department ID is
Null. And
why I asked for only left right,
okay, sir.
left side unmatched. And if it is right side unmatched means
E dot department ID is null.
Department ID is null.
what? E data. E dot department ID is null. See, right side unmatched record. Now extract. Why I am telling you guys is, see, from the data
Excuse me,
itself, by seeing a data itself, you can able to write some filter conditions.
ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ సార్
Yeah.
పైన అక్కడ బోత్ టేబుల్స్ అండ్ కండిషన్ యూస్ చేశారు కదా, సో అది ఫాల్స్ అయింది. సో ఆర్ పెడితే వస్తుందా సార్?
ఆర్ పెడితే వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా. ఏ ఆర్ ఏంటి, ఏ ఒక కండిషన్ అయినా వచ్చేస్తుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
అప్పుడు ఏంటి, అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ అప్పుడు నాదేంటి ఓన్లీ మ్యాచ్ రికార్డ్స్ తెమ్మన్నా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఆర్ పెట్టారనుకో ఏమవుతుంది, చివరి 2 రికార్డ్స్ కూడా వ్యాలిడ్ అవుతాయి కదా.
Yes sir,
Yes,
yes
sir.
sir.
సో
Yes, sir.
ఇట్ విల్ గివ్. సో ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ దట్. దట్స్ వై అండ్ ఐ యూజ్డ్.
Okay sir.
Extract unmatched records from left and right. Here now I want to extract unmatched records from both left and right. చెప్పండి. And
E dot department ID is
R, sir.
is
null.
okay. So if someone is saying R, let me keep R. So okay, without where clause I am running, by seeing the data you validate it, you validate the output. Okay, department ID, D dot department ID is null. No, right?
No.
First condition is false, and second condition
false.
E dot department ID.
is null. This condition is also false, right? When both
Yes,
conditions
sir.
are false, what?
Get false.
It's wrong.
When both conditions are false,
False.
then the result is
False.
false. So because all these values till here is false only. When comes to here, D dot department ID is null.
But not.
No,
No.
false.
But E
But
dot
second
department
condition?
ID is null.
The
False.
second condition is true.
True.
True,
So
true.
when you are keeping R, if either of the condition is true,
It is true.
it is true. And when comes to here,
It's also
dot-
true.
E dot department IDs.
It
This
is
is
also
null.
true.
it is true. So these two conditions will come. Suppose if you keep, got it right? When you run this, had only 2 records. Okay. Suppose
Okay, sir.
unmatched record. Suppose if you use and, someone said and means is null and is null. Both null untene condition true aidi. Do you have any record with both employee department ID from
No, no.
employee table and
No.
department ID from
No,
left
sir.
side is null?
No,
No.
no, no.
No. Okay. See, by seeing the data, you can able to write the queries like this. That's why I have shown you everything. Otherwise, simply I can say the full outer join is you can do. It will give us a left side match plus left side unmatched and right side unmatched. And also right side will give a right side match plus right side unmatched. The simple definition I can give. But why I am showing you is, so from the output, you can able to query the data. Sometimes by seeing the data only, you can able to do some filter on your own. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Sir, just tell me the cross join, sir.
Yes, I will tell you. Cross join. See, what are the joins you have? See, inner join, left outer join, and right outer join, and full outer join. All these joins, along with cross join and self join, are used to get the data from two tables. Okay, not two tables, multiple tables. Yeah, I can say. Here, apart from the cross join, you see everywhere when you are getting the data from multiple tables, you are using a key column or not a column. Common column to map the records. Okay, common column to map the records. But when you are trying to extract the data from multiple tables without using join, without using any key column, let's say simply select star from table A comma table B, or select star from table A cross join table B. So if you do that, so what it will do is it will perform a product of those two tables. Product in the sense the first table, how many records is there? So that many into the table 2, how many records are there? So that many combinations will be coming. So the all the records from the first table will be mapped to the first record, and then all the records from the first table will be mapped to the next record, like that. So suppose I have in employee table I have a 14 records, and department table I have a 4 records. So first all the 14 records will be mapped to the first record in the DUPT table, and then all the 14 records from the employee table will be mapped to the second record from the DUPT table, and all the records from employee table will be mapped to the third record from the department table. Then all the records from the employee table will be mapped to the fourth record, like that. Cross mapping.
Means it will not check for matched records or unmatched records and all.
No, it will not check anything.
No.
So since you are not here unmatched, matched, how it is coming when you are making a condition, you have a condition, right? You need to extract the record when the column name from the left table is equals to the column name, the value from the column is equals to the value from the other table. When these two are equal, then only that you are extracting the record. But when in case of cross chain, you are not keeping any condition. If you are not keeping any condition, how the system understand with regard? So simply it is taking all the combinations.
Okay, sir. Thank
It
you,
is
sir.
taking all the combinations. So any questions, guys?
Self join supply.
Self join chapter. Till here you are fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Sir?
So you are okay to continue, or shall we discuss tomorrow? I am fine.
Tomorrow.
with it.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay.
Hello,
Fine.
sir.
Yeah,
Tomorrow,
sir.
sir.
Sir, actually, I have one query.
Yeah,
If
please.
we want to catch inner join rejects, then how we will catch?
Inner join reject in the sense how you want. So inner join reject in the sense, so whatever the records is left in the tables,
Yes.
either left side or right side,
So from both the tables,
then
left
you can
and
use fill the last query, right? These are the inner join rejects, right?
okay,
Unmatched
Okay.
records from both the tables.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anything else, Andy?
Anything else?
Okay, Andy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.